Hello, welcome to this video. So let's see what's happening in Europe. So first, we'll talk about some severe weather and some heat wave stuff. So let's see the storm forecast first. We have one forecast for today and one extended forecast. So let's see. This is for when, this for Thursday, for today. So valid from today 6 a.m. to tomorrow at 6 a.m. So there's a level 1 in Eastern Europe from northern Greece to Russia, another level 1 in parts of northeastern Turkey, and in southern Turkey another one. And there's the general risk of thunderstorm in the yellow. So let's see. A level 1 is issued for far southern Turkey, mainly for hail and severe downbursts. A level 1 was issued across northeastern Turkey, mainly for heavy rain. A level 1 was issued for parts of southeast Eastern Europe, mainly for hail, heavy rain, and very strong wind gusts. So let's see here. So let's see. You can pause to read here if you want. Let's see, but if I read all of this, it will take so long. So let's see. So let's see the storms here. So it shows we already have a lot of storms in parts of Eastern Europe, like Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, and other areas. And it shows by this afternoon, by the European model, the storms getting very vigorous in parts of Ukraine and Belarus and Russia. So it shows some very potent storms going by Ukraine this afternoon. So be aware, and then they dissipate by this evening, and some storms continue in Russia tonight into tomorrow. And it also shows some showers in the UK, there today mainly in the north and in Ireland. It shows, let's see, some showers in the Balkans, but nothing big. But by this afternoon, it shows more little storms in parts of Romania, some in Bulgaria, but more in Serbia, Romania, Moldova, along with Ukraine there, parts of Albania and Greece, some showers too. And let's see, maybe a storm or two in Slovakia, and then they kind of dissipate later, but we still have some showers around by later this afternoon. And let's see, it shows the storms in Turkey there, in Armenia, Georgia, and those areas. So it shows northeastern Turkey a lot of storms, like they mentioned, but it doesn't show anything in southern Turkey. It shows a storm or two there, but be aware, you never know. So let's see here. Wait. So there in Finland and Sweden, we have a big situation. They also talked about in the storm forecast that maybe they could have added a level 1 or something, but they have this low pressure there, a big low pressure bringing a lot of rain and storms to Sweden, Norway, and Finland. The storm, especially in Finland, more storms. In Sweden, it's mainly some heavy rain. And let's see, this low pressure keeps going, and by tomorrow, Thursday, it's still going there, causing more storms in northern Russia tomorrow, still in Finland, some storms, and then by Friday, shows you even more storms. The low pressure kind of lingers there, still a lot of storms by Friday in those areas in Russia, Finland. Then by Saturday, still shows a lot of storms in Russia, Finland, and those areas. And then it quiets down a little bit by Sunday, but it still shows a lot of showers and storms possible by Sunday in parts of Russia, Latvia, in those areas. So be aware there, and also with river flooding and those stuff. So let's see. Uh, now let's see further out a little bit. So we saw Thursday. Let's see Friday now. So today's Thursday, yeah. So let's see. They have by Friday this low pressure getting close to the UK there, bringing more rain into Ireland and some storms by early Saturday, like between Friday and Saturday to Ireland, and then on Saturday more rain in the UK there, and it shows some storms in France and the Netherlands by Sunday, like Saturday night into Sunday there, some storms, and by Sunday afternoon they get more vigorous, shows a lot of storms all through Central Europe, continuing kind of east there, and then by Monday it has the line of storms in the Balkans there, showing very vigorous, going through Bosnia, parts of western Hungary, and especially like Slovenia and Austria there. So this is some days out. This forecast will change, but just to let you know. But he shows the storms continuing Monday through Serbia, going to Bulgaria there, Romania, and more. And then let's see those storms on Sunday there, going to Monday, and then by Monday has also this cold front moving through Norway and Sweden there, bringing a little bit more rain, and that low pressure bringing rain into Denmark by Tuesday. So more storms there by Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, next Wednesday shows more storms in parts of Eastern Europe, especially Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, and then by Wednesday afternoon, next Wednesday afternoon, shows a lot of showers and storms in most places in Eastern Europe, like in Russia. It shows in the Balkans too a lot, in Romania, Bulgaria, northern Hungary, parts of Poland, and many areas shows a lot of storms by next Wednesday. Thursday still shows the low pressure there and this arc of storms in Eastern Europe, but Central Europe and parts of the Balkans are already cleared, but these storms keep moving east in Ukraine and Belarus, and shows by next Friday this powerful low pressure in Ukraine there, going kind of into Russia, with more storms in Russia by next Saturday. So everything I just said is very far out, but just to let you know, this forecast will still change many times, but at least we took a look at it. So let's see some temperatures. So yesterday we made a video of Spain and Portugal, so today we'll focus more in the rest of Europe here, like Italy, France, and those areas. So I'll put the link to yesterday's video on the description there. So let's see. So today's Thursday. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Wednesday, but it's Thursday. So today the maximum temperatures in Italy there, it shows like extremely hot, like up to 42 degrees in some areas, 35, 38, 40 degrees, but these areas here like 40, 42 degrees, be careful, very hot. A little bit more is further south there, a little bit more south, some 38, 39, 40, 35 along the coast, 37. In Sicily, it shows a lot too, like some 40 degrees, 39, 40, 36 along the coast, 38, 40. Further west, it shows some 36, 37 there. In Malta, around 33, 32. Let's see, for Sardinia, shows 38, 35 degrees. Let's see, for other areas, Rome shows like 36, 38 degrees, around there. Let's see, 35 degrees. So this is for today. Greece is kind of boiling too. It shows like 40 degrees, 38 degrees, 41, 37. So very hot there. 38 around Athens. Let's see, Turkey is very hot, 42 in many areas, 37, 40 degrees mainly in western Turkey there. The rest of Turkey is a little bit better, except these areas of southern Turkey around 39, 42. But western Turkey is really, really hot. And in these other areas here around 39, southern Bulgaria 40 even, 38. Let's see, Romania, especially southern Romania, 37, 38. Ukraine and Russia's around 38, 37. But it's mainly like eastern Ukraine and Russia, because western Ukraine is a little bit better. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Here, so 33, 33. Let's see, Turkmenistan around 36, 38 in some areas, and some areas even higher. Let's see. These other areas of North Central Europe shows in the 20s and low 30s. Like, let's see, the UK in the 20s, some 20s in southern Sweden, further up in Norway around the 19, 17, 15, 20s parts of northern Finland and Russia, around the 20s, yeah. And let's see, some 30s in Russia, 20s in Belarus. Yeah, it's mainly southern Europe and eastern Europe that's so hot. So during the night it might look like this, a little bit cooler in those areas. These areas still in the 20s in the south. And let's see by Friday afternoon. So let's see. I'm just searching for the hottest time of the day. So here, so around Eastern Europe by tomorrow afternoon, so some 4 is in Turkey still, kind of the same as today. Some 39, 39 in Greece, and it could get too far in a spot or two, but mainly 38, 37, 39. The Balkans kind of in the 30s, yeah. In Croatia in the 30s, let's see. Hungary is a little bit better in the 30s there compared to last week, but southern Romania is still about 36, 37, yeah, a little bit better. But these areas of southern Russia into 39, 39, 41, so very hot. Ukraine's doing a little bit better, maybe because of the storms. Spain and Portugal will be boiling there. Southern France around 35, 36, 35, very hot. And we'll show you another page for France in a second. Some high 20s and low 30s in central northern France tomorrow. Some high 20s in southwestern UK tomorrow too. And some 20s and things in some other areas. Show some 20s in Latvia, Ukraine. So let's see. For Italy tomorrow, it shows 41, 40, 40 there, 40, 39, further north 38. Let's see, Rome 39 by tomorrow. These areas of northern Italy are around 37, 35 degrees. Let's see, in Sicily there, it shows 41, 40, so getting hotter in Sicily, be aware. In Sardinia, it shows 38, 38, 37, and let's see, this area of France around the 30s and high 20s. Let's see, some 30s, high 30s in Italy, and then let's see, a little bit warmer in North Central Europe, but in the high 20s, yeah. Northern UK a little bit cooler, some 20s in not southern Norway and Sweden, and a little bit further north a little bit cooler, some 20s still in Finland and Russia. So let's see. By this weekend, what might happen? So by Saturday, for Italy, it shows still some 39s, 38 there. Let's see. In Albania, some high 30s. Greece as well, 36, 34, 32, 37, yeah. Turkey is still very hot, around 42, 41, 37. Let's see, Bulgaria 34, 35, 30s in high 30s in southern Romania. Hungary, mainly like eastern Hungary, into the 30s. Let's see, some areas further north to the high 20s. And let's see, these areas of southeastern France still high into the 30s by Saturday, even 38 in some areas. So be aware there. Spain will be very hot, more than 42 in some areas there. Let's see, and Italy, I think we already talked about. Let's see, by Sunday here. So let's see, Italy by Sunday like 38, 35 in those areas, but around 42 in Sicily there, still very hot. In other areas of Sicily around 39. Let's see, Sardinia in the high 30s. Let's see, southern France a little bit better, but still in the 30s. Yeah, Turkey and Greece still high in the 30s there. And this is mainly it, I think. We'll check the long range in a second. Now it's the GFS, before was the Euro. It has a similar thing, maybe a little bit less than the Euro, but it has some high 30s for southern Romania on Saturday, some 40s in parts of Spain, some 30s in France by Saturday. Let's see, in Italy, high into the 30s too. Ukraine, Central Europe, and those areas. So let's see here. What else? So some longer range, maybe. First here. So now it's July 18th, I think. So we have the heat dome in parts of Eastern Europe, and then it keeps dissipating. It dissipates a little bit more, but still a lot above average temperatures in Eastern Europe. And we have that area of above averages in parts of Central Europe too. And then let's see, we have the big heat wave in Spain and Portugal by Friday and Saturday. And then we get this cooler air mass there by next Sunday to affect parts of Western Europe, a little bit below averages, below average. And then it's still hot in Eastern Europe by next Friday, and then some above averages start kicking again in parts of Iberia by next Friday and Saturday. But let's see, because this model is mixed up a little bit. Let's see the Euro here. So this is now the above average in Eastern Europe, the heat wave there. In Spain and Portugal, the other heat wave. And then we get a lot of above average in France there by the end of this week, and this weekend especially a lot above average there, before we get that cold wave going through there, through the UK and Central Europe, and then it gets all the way to Southeastern Europe by next Friday, the 26th. So, and then we will get some other cold waves there, like below average temperatures. It won't be cold because it's summer, but below average temperatures. And then some above average still in some areas. So let's see the 2-minute temperature by the Euro. So we saw until Sunday there with the other side. So let's see, starting on Monday here. So still hot in southern Spain and Portugal, it's some other areas. Still hot in Eastern Europe, a little bit less in parts of North, Western Europe. Spain and Portugal still, parts of Eastern Europe. Let's see, and Italy, but no cataclysmic heat wave ahead. But just be aware, in southeastern Europe with the high temperatures, and Spain and Portugal too. So let's see. Uh, this page for France. So this is for today here, the heat risk. So that red area is like between 37 and 40 degrees. They say it's possible in parts of southern France. So let's see. You can read here in French if you want. Now let's see the the extended forecast for the severe weather here. So today's Thursday. This forecast is for Friday here. So between Friday and Saturday. So let's see. For tomorrow, there's a level 1 in Bosnia and other parts of the Balkans. Let's see a level 1 northern Italy and Austria and Slovenia. A level 1 in parts of south central France, like southern France, and a level 1 in southwestern France and the Pyrenees of extreme northeastern Spain. So let's see, and the yellow is a general risk of thunderstorms through Eastern Europe, Russia, Southeastern Europe, Central Europe, general risk of thunderstorms, and even Northern Africa. So let's see here. A level 1 was issued, numerous level 1 areas were issued across parts of France, Austria, Northern Italy, the Dinaric Alps, mainly for hail, heavy rain, and strong wind gusts. So let's see here. No substantial change. So you can read here if you want. Let's see. Let's see the model here. So here, so this model is only for Western Europe. So today there's barely nothing, maybe a shower or a storm or two in a mountain of Spain. But let's see, it shows maybe some showers and a storm or two in parts of Italy and Austria, especially Austria. And by tomorrow, we get some showers in France there. They turn into some storms, maybe. And then a little bit later in the afternoon, we get those storms in south central France, some in Italy, let's see, and also in the Pyrenees there, mainly of Pyrenees of France, we get some storms there. But be aware of those storms tomorrow. And then between Friday and Saturday, it shows the storms continue in France and get really strong, like tomorrow afternoon, Friday at 3 o'clock. So it shows those strong storms in France tomorrow, and then, yeah, the run ends. So let's see. So be aware in France there. So in terms of wind gusts, we have some gusty winds in parts of the north there, near Denmark, the North Sea. So this is today. Tomorrow, more around the Baltics, a little bit gustier, and with that low pressure coming close to the UK, some stronger winds. And then by Saturday and Sunday, especially Sunday, some gusty winds parts of the sea near France and the UK, some stronger winds in the sea there near the coast of southern France. So by Sunday, and then by Sunday afternoon, a very strong winds it shows near the coast of northeastern Spain, southern France, and those areas. And then it continues a little bit until Monday. And then let's see. Yeah, it fluctuates a little bit, but it won't like end, but it will fluctuate. So let's see. In other parts of Europe, some stronger winds in Turkey and in Syria by tomorrow. A little bit in Greece, some gusty winds. Yeah, and like Saturday, a little bit gusty in parts of Spain there, and especially by Sunday afternoon in Norway there shows some stronger winds. And the rainfall accumulation the next 48 hours shows more in Turkey and Georgia, Armenia, and southern Russia there, Central Europe around the Alps, more in Northern Europe in Russia, and in the UK a little bit more, and some other areas. So let's see. Let's see the euro here. So this in the next 54 hours, Central Europe, Turkey shows a lot in Turkey there specifically, more Norway, Sweden, Russia, and Ireland, UK, some in France, the Pyrenees, even Morocco, some more rain in some areas of Morocco, and let's see. So this is mainly it for now, I think. So stay safe from the heat and storms and everything, and bye.